So I'll just show you a couple of toys we've made with Junko. We've made with my kids. This one we call the Bug Eye. It's got bug eyes. And you can see it's made from, well, you probably can see it's made from a juice carton here. And then this is a yogurt pot. And all this card is just cereal packet we've cut up. And it all sits on the Junko chassis, and it's held together with these J-Fix clips, which I'll tell you about later. And this toy is the double-decker bus, the monster double-decker bus, just made from a cardboard box. And then the windows are downloads from our website. You can download them, print them out on scrap paper. Kids can colour them in, which is fun as well. And that's a simple model for young kids. Underneath each Junko model we've got the wheel frame. This expands lengthways, like that, so go up to 40 centimetres long. And also expand widthways, so it becomes this wide thing here. And that's just by adding in these extenders, which just go clunk, 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 and make your wheel frame wider. To hold your junk in place, we use rare earth magnet clips, so it's all reusable. If you want to customise your frame a bit more, we have these wheel covers here, which you can just cut your own carbons out, and they just pop into place. Also, if you'd like to make your sides up on your model, make them taller, you can just push in bits of card into the side of the wheel frame here, and then you can build up bodies and things there, and they're pretty well held. Everything you see that is white on this model is glow in the dark, which makes it brilliant fun at night. You can just zoom it across, you know, your living room with the lights off. Careful not to trip over anything. The really fun part of this frame is the rubber band drive. So this is a unique invention, and it's a pull back and let go rubber band drive. So if you pull your model back, it charges up the band, scoops it up and let go, off it goes. Kids get quite a lot of fun out of that. You can mess around with the bands. You can also, if you get the water kit, you get some band extenders, so you can put in longer bands and you can double bands up, and you can sort of work out ways to make your vehicles go even faster. The other cool part of Junko is the J-Fix clips. These are also made from recycled plastic, and they come in 3 varieties. The first one is the simplest. We call this the corner clip. So this is just a corner piece, and you just push bits of card into it, and they hold together. You can make your car bodies, all sorts of things out of that. The second 2 clips, these are slightly different because they use rare earth magnets inside, just like we did on the wheel frame. So you have a steel keep which sits on the inside of your model, and then you have your clip and just sticks. So if I demonstrate on this carton we've done, just do that. This clip will hold a Lego style brick in place. It'll also hold plastic pots and cartons. And then there's another version of the clip, which we call the J-Fix Mag 90, because it holds stuff at 90 degrees to your model. And you can use that to put on wings, eyes, whatever you want to do. So that is your JUNKO Zoomer kit. Also, there is an add-on kit to that called the water kit. So this, you have to have the Zoomer first, obviously, and this just has water wheels and floats, and it uses all the Zoomer's drive, rubber band drive, and it'll make it zoom on water. This is great for baths. Also got some longer bands in and some extenders, so it'll zoom across paddling pools as well. Last part of the kits you get are the comics. There are 2. Planet Panic comes with the Zoomer kit, and Plastic Peril comes with the water kit. And these are about some adventures with the J-Heroes, who are from another planet which they trashed with their industry and short-sightedness. Reminds us of something. And they're chasing their nemesis Elphil, who's come to the Earth to find a new home, and he's start trashing the Earth. So there's lots of environmental message in there, but it's all good fun as well. And if you flip the comics over, you get the instruction manual. And that's that. So it's a really simple step-by-step guide how to put all your Junko together, accommodate different size boxes and cartons, and how it all works. And that is Junko.